wants to know who else talks on the telephone and who doesn't, don't you? Let's find out. Elmo, get it. Look, the drawer's ringing. Oh, come on, drawer. Oh, boy. Do pizzas talk on the phone?
No!
But you can order pizza on the phone. Do birthday cakes talk on the phone?
No!
But you can use the phone to wish someone happy birthday. Do birds talk on the phone?
No!
Except when the bird is Big Bird.
Hi, Snuffy. It's me, Big Bird calling.
Hello, bird.
Now that's a bird call.